Predatory plants, also known as carnivorous plants, are a fascinating group of botanical marvels that have evolved unique adaptations to capture and digest insects and other small prey. These captivating plants not only provide an intriguing display in your garden or indoor space but also offer a glimpse into the wonders of nature's diversity. This video will serve as your comprehensive guide, from selecting the right species to creating optimal growing conditions. We'll explore the essential steps to ensure your predatory plants thrive. Choosing the right predatory plant species. There are various types of carnivorous plants, each with its own specific care requirements. Research and select the species that align with your preferences, growing environment, and skill level. Providing the ideal growing environment. Predatory plants thrive in specific environmental conditions. Understanding their preferred light levels, temperature range, and humidity requirements is crucial. Create an environment that mimics their natural habitat to ensure their well-being. Selecting the right growing medium. Carnivorous plants have specific soil needs due to their nutrient acquisition strategies. Depending on the species, they may require a mix of peat moss, sand, perlite, and other additives. Ensure proper drainage and nutrient-poor soil to replicate their natural growing conditions. Watering and humidity. Most predatory plants have a high water requirement. They need to be consistently moist but not waterlogged. Utilize distilled water, rainwater, or reverse osmosis water to prevent mineral buildup. Maintain a suitable humidity level to support their growth and trap activation. Feeding techniques and strategies. Predatory plants primarily rely on capturing and digesting insects to supplement their nutrient needs. Understanding their trapping mechanisms and providing appropriate prey items is crucial for their well-being. Avoid overfeeding or feeding inappropriate prey that can harm the plant. Managing dormancy. Many predatory plants go through dormancy periods to conserve energy and prepare for the next growing season. Understanding their dormancy requirements, including temperature changes, reduced watering, and modified lighting conditions, is essential to promote their health and longevity. Propagation techniques. Predatory plants can be propagated through various methods, such as division, leaf cuttings, or seed germination. Understanding the specific propagation techniques for your chosen species will allow you to expand your collection or share plants with others. Growing and caring for predatory plants is a rewarding and exciting journey into the world of carnivorous wonders. By providing the right growing conditions, appropriate feeding, and diligent care, you can cultivate a thriving collection of these captivating plants. Embrace the unique characteristics and marvel at the intricate adaptations of predatory plants as you witness their growth and hunting prowess.